नवंबर के उस आदेश को वापस ले लिया है जिसके तहत स्मार्टफोन कंपनियों से फोन में संचार साथी ऐप को प्री इंस्टॉल करके बेचने को कहा गया था। इस फैसले के बाद देश भर में प्राइवेसी और स्वतंत्रता को लेकर बड़ी बहस छिड़ गई थी। दूरसंचार विभाग यानी कि डीओटी ने 90 दिनों के अंदर आदेश का पालन करने के लिए कहा था और 120 दिनों में डीओटी को कंप्लायंस रिपोर्ट दी जानी थी। अब सरकार ने यह फैसला लिया है कि संचार साथी ऐप को अनिवार्य न बनाकर स्वैच्छिक रखा जाए, क्योंकि लोग खुद ही इस ऐप को तेजी से अपना रहे हैं और इस पर दिग्गजों की प्रतिक्रियाएं आना शुरू हो गई हैं। आइए सुनते हैं।
Absolutely welcome it, and also goes to show that a government which was trying to, through devious means, try and install a surveillance app has been called out by the people of this country, has been opposed and pushed back by the people of this country, and whatever face saver the minister was trying to give yesterday has been proven to be half truths. And I'm glad that I took this issue up, because any damage to people's constitutional rights is something Shiv Sena, Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray party will continue to take on all its forums, on all the platforms available to it. So I welcome this move, and I hope that the government of the day, in the times to come,
victory for every Indian, victory for the Gen Z, victory for the daughters and sons who had protested against this thing. Yesterday the minister was giving an explanation in the outside the parliament. Today he gave a different explanation inside the parliament. At last they had withdrawn their order. They had made a huge blunder, and they had, this blunder is not acceptable. It is getting into the using the phone through an app to everybody, every individual's phone is unacceptable. Therefore, it's a welcome decision now, and we welcome. I thank those people, students, all those leaders who stood for this thing.
It's a welcome relief that government has withdrawn its draconian decision of invading into the privacy of the people in the form of Sanjar Sati. Otherwise, it would have been a darkest chapter in the history of our democratic India.